Hello, hope you are doing well. So let me explain in this video how you can use this Notion workspace. So I have set up this Notion dashboard into this Excel space. So here you can see this teacher workflow. So here I have used this panel, then this is home section button, then navigation, then quick action. So let me briefly explain navigation section. So first page is student. So when we open the student page, so active student will be show here. I have put this dummy data to show you like how this will be work. So and all active student will be show here, and all student will be show here with these properties like no student and yes student. So by status view, and if you want to add new student, you just need to click here. So when you click here in this button, new page will be open, so you can easily enter new student information. Then next page is task tracker. So in the task tracker, so active task will be shown here like by student, and by status will be shown here, by priority will be shown here, by subject will be shown here, by type will be shown here, and then all the tasks will be shown here. You can check out all tasks will be shown here. If you want to add new task, you can click this button. And then next, weekly planner. So in the weekly planner page, so this week data will be shown here, and then all week plan will be shown here by each student. Then if you want to add new week planner, you can click this button, then you can add. Then next one is academic coaching HQ. So this is the like dashboard where you can see similar active student, then this week at a glance, and quick task entry. These are. And if you want to go back at the main dashboard, you just need to click home button section, so it will return at the main dashboard. So in the main dashboard you can like add new task, new student entry, new weekly planner, and this week by student data will be shown here as a task. So this is your dashboard structure, and you can use this. If you have any further question, and if you need any further changes, so you can share with me.